जरा देखना चैनल पे लाइव आ रहा है क्या?
कौन?
मैं
हम्म,
आ रही है आवाज? आ रहा लाइव का सेशन? ओके, so hello everyone. I don't know how many people are watching right now, but if you are able to hear me, just let me know in the chat whether you are able to hear me. Hello Subhashini, hello Vaishnavi, hi Syed, Shravan, hello Shravan, Shah, hello Sadia. So I'm just like trying to do a live session. Like it's not a planned one, but yeah, just trying to to be a live on this channel. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for letting me know. So I'm just creating this live. So hey, thank you for helping me out with my flow and requirement. Hey, thank you Navneet. So if you have any question regarding your Salesforce career or anything related to Salesforce, yeah, please let me know. Um, is Salesforce a good for freshers? Yes, I definitely. Salesforce is a good for freshers as well. There is no doubt. You can go for it. Sir, opportunities for freshers. So see, Aman, yeah, definitely in the market, I can see there are a lot of opportunities. So again, you need to do a little hard work. Stay active on LinkedIn is the best advice I can give you. Hello sir, how to get all standard and custom object label name through SOQL query? Uh, Ajaz, so do one thing. I have a blog already on it. Just go to Salesforce geek.in. So there is a website. This is our website, right? Just go to it, and we have a blog over there. Sai Kiran, present for freshers. There is no call. Yeah, actually, I'm seeing a lot of these situations like we are not getting call. But see, in our area, in maybe Noida region, yeah, definitely we are getting calls. A lot of people getting hired.
क्वेश्चन आवड़ा अच्छा.
Salesforce we talk about all time. Tell us something about yourself. So Navneet, I'm just like I started my journey back in 2017, and the creation of this channel is not planned. It's like more I am creating my own journey on Salesforce Geek channel. So this is all about me. I love to hit gym. I yeah, definitely deadlift is my favorite exercise. This is all about the gym and all. Mostly I am a very like I don't like traveling. A lot of people say that they love traveling, but I don't. I love to sit on a chair and surfing on the internet. I know it's kind of weird, but any PR, nobody. I'm just the single person right now working on my hustle. No PR, not even a single person who is working with me right now. But yeah, definitely. As we are planning cloudpadle.com, right? Yeah. So obviously we need to plan. Like not a PR thing, but obviously we need to prepare a team or we need to make a team to publish it more. How much do you bench? So bench is 80 kg Navneet, and deadlift is around 160. So deadlift is my favorite one. Squat is very weak, maybe 50 to 60 kg. Ankit Davale, how to apply PD1 certificate? So you need to learn basically development, and then once you feel like okay, now you can give certification. We already created a video how you need to register for Salesforce certifications, right? You just need to create an account or webassessor.com, and you are good to go to create like to sit for an exam. How to explain project in interviews? See Nitin, if you really worked on a project, tell them everything whatever you worked on by creating fields, automating things, or whatever you worked. Like maybe it's a support work, so tell them like okay, I debug these type of classes where I learned uh, like this and this. So it's totally okay. If you really work in a project, explaining project is not a concern. Then we say how long takes to learn from zero. Like what do you mean by Oscar, like Salesforce? So see, it's totally depend on person to person. you maybe learn like in 3 months, I can say. To be very honest, I'm a slow learner. I never get things in a single way. I need to read things again and again. I need to understand things again and again. So it's me, it's a long time. But again, if you are a gentleman, and like not gentleman, like if you are an intelligent person, then maybe you can learn really well, like maybe in 2 months. I'm talking about admin and basic development. You can easily learn in 2 to 3 months. Admin is really simple. So 1 month is enough for Salesforce admin. If you put 8 hours daily, I'm considering you are a student, and if you put 8 hours daily, definitely admin can be done in 1 month. Because admin, we don't have that much enough, like that much content. Obviously once we have admin, then you need to learn sales cloud, service cloud, apex. Especially if you are a fresher, focus more on triggers, because in Indian context, development is the thing. uh, okay, there are a lot of questions. Is Salesforce is good for freshers? This is present for there is no. Shravan, I am planning for my first switch. Is it the right time? So Shravan, I will say, if your company is paying you good and you don't have that much kind of pressure, don't plan it. But again, it's up to you. If you feel like I need to switch, then and you have the skill set, so then you don't need to worry about the situations and all. You can anytime make a switch. An experienced person in an interview, how to explain about project. Okay, I already answered how to explain project in interview. Same. Hello sir, in order to perform some API call, I have created an Apex batch to generate and save the SS token in customer data. Unfortunately, the API has reduced their lifetime token to 30 M. Actually, Sadia, right now I'm not able to answer this question, because there are a lot of questions asking from like ask only questions which career related, not just technical. Uh, is this the right time to switch company? Yeah, see, Yuvraj, if you have the skill set, and if you think maybe if you let's say, it's totally depends on a person to person, right? What's your risk taking ability? But if you have a offer, if you have a good offer, right, then go for it. What's the issue? To 30 minutes now, I have to. Okay, the same question. I'm commerce background. Can I learn Salesforce? Mahesh, obviously, Salesforce is not restricted to a particular domain. Let's say, few of my friends are from mechanical background. Like the prime example is Lakhan Meghani. If you go to LinkedIn and search Lakhan Meghani, he is a mechanical engineer, and to be very honest, he started Salesforce earlier than me. What I mean by earlier than me, we started at the same time, but he joined a company as a fresher, I think 4 to 5 months earlier than me, and now he is getting a good amount of package. To be very honest, best right now in the industry, and he is from the mechanical background, right? So, how can I learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud free of cost? So, Saurav Chaudhary, again, like learning is a new other thing, but practical knowledge is the other thing. So, with free training and all, I don't think so. You will get a more practical advantage for SFMC. So as a fresher, I don't recommend Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Focus more on development if you are if you are from India. I'm not talking about the US context or UK context. Got it. Thank you so much, Shravan. Okay, cool, buddy. Adbhut, Abdhut. Does certifications necessary for getting job? Absolutely not. If you have the skill set and you can present it over in front of interviewer, then there is no need of certifications. Sir, as of now, I have 2 years of experience as application support engineer and want to change career to Salesforce in 2024. Please advise. Yeah, so Thakur, maybe if you are in a support, if you are in support, right? So probably I'm thinking you don't have that much practice of code and all, because usually in support we do the same kind of work again and again, like repetition, same words, right? So definitely, you need to practice more and brush up your skills. Uh, yeah, that's the only thing which I want to say. Like just try to learn things again. But obviously, if you want a growth in your career, get out from the support role. Sir, I completed my admin and development training and I don't know how to approach to companies and how to crack interview. Can you please guide me? So Arshad, I think if you are asking this question, so probably I think you have lacking in your practical knowledge, right? Because if a person is good with a skill set, is not going to ask this question how to approach companies. See, once our resume gets selected, we sit in front of the interviewer. Interviewer asks us question. If we have the skill set, we can answer it. If we don't have the skill set, obviously, we are not able to answer that question, and that's where our self confidence get triggered. So to be very honest, I have a mindset when I sit for interviews, right? Like in my college days, I sit for around 8 to 10 interviews, and I cracked most of them. So the thing is, the interviewer who is going to ask you questions, right, is also a human being. He also have the same kind of insecurities that you have, right? It might be anything, but he is also a human. So think like that. This will help you to remove the fear, like, okay, this person is an expert, and now he's going to interview me what I can say, he's going to interview me and he will judge me. So most of the time people thought like the person who is in front of us going to judge us whether we know the thing or not. See, no one's care, to be very honest. Once your interview gets cleared, or you get rejected, or you get selected, no one's actually care about that. So just focus on your skill set, present it really well, and don't think like the person who is going to sit in front of you is a god. It's definitely a human being, and maybe he or she has more flaws than you. So definitely go for it. Don't hesitate over there. Yeah, so see, Shravan is also from mechanical background, yeah. So I forgot about Shravan. Admin job in career in Salesforce. See, Mahesh, if you are in India, then don't go for admin jobs because there are very less, and you will not get a admin job very easily in India. So I will not suggest. Learn Salesforce developer, or be a Salesforce developer. Sorry. Shrikant, sir, I have 6 years of career gap. Can I learn Salesforce and can I get a job? Shrikant, definitely. See, the only answer for all type of career gap question, or we are not getting jobs, if you have the skill set, you will get it. And one problem you which I am also seeing right now, like less calls. So see, there is a only thing, apply more. If you apply more, you will get more opportunities, more chances to get interview calls, right? So it's like to be very honest, I interacted with one person over Topmate. So Topmate is a calling platform where you can interact with each other. So I already created some calls and all like that, right? So I interacted with some persons over there. So they have the same question, like we are not getting interview calls and all. But when I ask them how many companies they applied, the answer is 5. The answer is 10. But it should not like that. You should apply as many companies as you can, because the more applications, more will be the chances of getting call from the companies. Shrikant, Yuvraj Nimje, is your Flow Bootcamp cover all scenarios like using static resource image and write complex method called calling API many more? So Yuvraj, our course is complete solution of Salesforce Flow. You will learn everything. Like I cannot say everything, yeah, but most of the things you will learn, obviously. Whether it totally depends, right? If you are a beginner, right, then I will say go for the course. If you are an intermediate and you think like, okay, I'm a person who can easily learn on your own, then don't go for it. Simply, I'm not just here to sell you my course. If you think you can learn on your own, then go with the YouTube videos. You can learn easily. But if you need a guided path, if you think like you need a mentor, you need a person where you can ask your doubts on weekends. So because the thing is, the bootcamp is divided like that. First, there will be recorded videos. Now every Saturday or Sunday, let's say on weekends, we are going to plan doubt classes. So like if you have any question, if you want to discuss something, we are on the live call and we are going to solve it over there. So that's the beauty of our bootcamp. And the other beauty of our bootcamp is it's going to be dynamic course. Like let's say in upcoming future, let's say spring 20, whatever the number we have the release, like whatever the release came from Salesforce, right? We are also going to update those features according to our scenarios. Let's say right now we are creating a data table by component by creating a external like installing a package and all from non-official Salesforce, right? But then Salesforce launched their own data table component. Then what we are going to do, we are going to remove that video from our course and implement the solution with the standard functionality that we have. So it's a dynamic course. It's not like we created a course once and we sell it and then we forget about the course. It's a dynamic. We are going to change it again every single time. So I am SQL developer. So if you guys want to enroll, I will add the link into the description, but I am not sure how to do that because I am doing this live session after maybe 1 or 2 years. So I'm not sure, but if you check out the other videos, right, like you will get the description link in the description box of those videos. I am SQL developer, sir, as of now. Okay, Thakur. Okay, so probably you need to learn first Salesforce, right? How much CTC can we expect after 2 years of experience? Nice question, Ruturaj, actually. So this question I love to answer. See, the Salesforce market is really hot right now. So if you have a 2 year of experience and you are going to make a switch, you will easily get 12 to 20 LPA. Depends on your skill set. So now the package thing, right? It's totally depends on person to person again. See, if a person is really good, he can even get 20 because I have my friends, so I can put it on a stamp paper. Like I have people who got 20 LPA, 2 to 2.5 year of experience, and I also have people who even cracked 25 LPA as well in product companies. So it's like sky is the limit right now in Salesforce technology. Package is very high. Even in this time as well, there is a huge demand of experienced Salesforce developers. Hi Shubham, I am Salesforce dev with 2 year experience. I am exploring data engineering recently and it fascinates me. Should it be advisable to career transition from SFDC to data engineering financially? See, I don't have much idea about the data science ARCA, but let's say if you have an interest in it, try to learn it. And if you are getting good package than Salesforce, then go for it over there. But if you are not getting good package and then you can make a decision like whether you want to go for what I can say, like if you want to go financially with that technology or not. So I think Salesforce is the best technology financially right now. So yeah, I have a gap of 7 years due to UPSC. Earlier worked for 3 years Java project, now got admin and PD1 certification last 3 months. Chances of getting job in Salesforce? Yeah, definitely, Suresh. Your Java experience will help, right? Your Java experience will also help you in this. So if you have the skill, see again, I'm just repeating my things, right? But again, if you have the skill set, you will easily get a job. Not an issue. Sanjay, very few financial services cloud on insurance domain need some help on that. Actually, Sanjay, on cloudpadle.com, right? Our motive is to bridge the gap between like financial cloud, FSL. So we are going to launch our premium courses in future. So, and it's not like I'm going to teach the market gurus like who are very proficient on those clouds. They are going to teach you. So visit cloudpadle.com. You will find the course in future. I am working in Siebel CRM support and also learned admin and development. Can I switch my company without having a working experience in Salesforce? So this question actually quite fascinating, Abdut, because the thing is, if you don't have the Salesforce experience, you are going to get difficulties in projects, right? So I will not personally, I will not suggest you should like I will say get some practical knowledge, then apply for job or make a switch into the like Salesforce technology. But definitely without experience, it's going to be very tough, and it's even mentally challenging to you, right? Let's say you don't have the experience and you want to make a make a switch into a company, and and you have a 3 year of experience, let's say. So the company will provide you the work as per the 3 year of experience, right? Not a fresher work, obviously. So again, your mental health will be affected over there. So you need to think how it suits you, but I will personally not recommend by of showing fake experience. It's just I provided another perspective to you, like mental health is going to be affected. So where we apply for job, because I applied but not get response. So see on if you go to LinkedIn, there is a page called Upplers. There are a lot of job posted over there. Apart from Upplers, maybe so there is a LinkedIn strategy actually. I will create a video soon on it, like how to search recent jobs. So definitely I will going to create a video. Shravan, I also had 3 year of gap and I am from mechanical background. I believe skills matter and thanks content creator like Shubham who helped a lot. So see, Shravan is a live example, and to be very honest, Shravan connected with me from a long time. Not just now we reached around 20k subscribers. When I just have around maybe 500 or 1000 subscriber, I guess. So he is connected from that time, and he's 3 year of gap. He's having 3 year of a gap. Otherwise, he is having from he is from mechanical background, right? So see, he's a live example. Skill set matters. So Nikhil Bhardwaj, hey, मज़ा आ गया. Hello sir, I am Dhanashri. Okay, how I improve my programming skills? I have started a month ago Apex learning. Please tell me how can I perfect in programming. See, you need to practice more. So for example, for practice, we created around 36 trigger scenarios on our website. So salesforcegeek.in, if you try out, or you just simply type triggers in Salesforce, right? You can easily find those scenarios. Try more scenarios. Try to implement your own scenarios. Let's say if a account is created, then I need to send email. Now this scenario can be done by Apex triggers, can be done by Salesforce flows, but I will suggest try both, because if you try, you will learn, okay, I can do this these type of scenarios from flows, I can do this scenario type of Apex, right? So this will broad your mind. This will make your mind broad, sorry. So just joined it. I don't know how I am repeating the question, but can you explain how to handle career gap? So Roshan, again, career gap is like, you can simply present to the interviewer like, okay, I am having a gap, it's totally okay, but I have the skill set which can bridge my career gap. I can assure you that I will do my best in order to bring more profitability to company by what you can do. You can work more, right? Like more, not in terms of hours, but just productivity. Let's say if a task takes 12 hours to get completed, you can complete it in 6 hours. So the thing is skill set. If you have the skill set, you can showcase your skills to the interviewer. And obviously there are a lot of companies. I will suggest, if you have a career gap, don't go for big companies. Try to join startups in the early stage, like who are having a team of 5 to 10 people. They will definitely try to understand your problem, and also by joining these kind of companies, you will get Salesforce experience, and later on you can make a switch, and obviously you can get a good package as well in near future. So Himanshi, how much time does it take to learn Salesforce development, Apex and triggers? From where should I learn it in order to get up all stuff? One place for development for free. So free content is available on Apex Hours, Path to Code YouTube channel. I'm talking about Apex only. So these are the two YouTube channels which you can refer in order to learn Salesforce Apex development, and absolutely free of cost. And the timing, what you ask me, it's totally depends on you, how fast you can learn and how good you can learn. So I think if you give 3 to 4 months for Salesforce Apex and even LWC, so yeah, you can learn in 4 to 5 months easily. I am pursuing BCA. Is Salesforce a good course career for me? Yeah, definitely, Hansraj. If you are doing BCA, definitely you can opt for Salesforce. Actually, I'm getting a lot of question. Could you then teach on any external website or any other platform consuming Salesforce data like the Sales Cloud? Could you then teach on any external website or another platforms? Marcelo, I didn't get your question. If you can like explore it little bit. Brother, tomorrow my mock interview, how can handle it, brother? Because I scared, brother. I have no idea, bro. See, Abdul, why to worry? He's not going to kill you. He's just going to ask you some questions, right? Why you need to worry about that? See, that's what I talk about, right? It's the mindset which helps you to move ahead in career. So make your mindset good, and I think if you have that mindset, like the person who is in front of you is also a human being, also have insecurities, also have flaws, and maybe more than you, then why you need to worry? See, there is one thing. Actually, I'm kind of impressed by Ashneer Grover because he speaks like very bluntly, right? But I like that thing, and the thing is, when we have a low skill set or less skill set, that's where we get scared, right? So if we have the good skill set, we have that confidence, like okay, we can do it. So guys, I can see only 12 likes. So and we have 37 live viewers. Please hit that like button. This will help me to like uh, take this live session to another level. Uh, ओके सर एडमिन के इंटरव्यू में बस डेफिनेशन से काम चल जाता है क्या? अगर आप फ्रेशर लेवल पे हो तो चल जाएगा, बट अगेन अगर इंटरव्यूअर सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछने लगा तो आपको फिर बताने पड़ेंगे. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन इंटरव्यूअर, बट आई विल सजेस्ट सिनेरियो प्रिपेयर करो, एग्जाम्पल्स भी देना साथ में कि अगर आप रिलेशनशिप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो तो साथ में क्वेश्चन आंसर भी एक्सप्लेन करना वहाँ पे, मतलब एग्जाम्पल्स देना अपने जो भी आंसर कर रहे हो. Actually, today I was tackle manual testing interview, brother. But tomorrow my next interview, Salesforce admin interview, brother. How to tackle this interview? Which important point? So see, Abdul, in admin we don't have that much more thing. So the most important part is security, like what is OWD, how you share records in Salesforce, right? So these are the things. Security is the best, or you can say most part of the questions are coming from security, where you can get stuck. Otherwise everyone knows, like okay, what is lookup relationship, what is master data relationship, everyone knows about it. So Arka, can we get a visa sponsored job directly in US from India being a Salesforce dev? See Arka, yeah, recently like there is a lottery system or something like that, so definitely even I also get a opportunity for like someone from my company nominated me, but see I have a different situation here. So obviously if you have US clients, right, you definitely there is a chance to get into US. If your company have the on-site opportunities, obviously the company should have the on-site opportunities, then only you can go for like working in US. So like one of my friend, live example, Salesforce MVP Aviral Agrawal, right, he moves to Cincinnati, like US, and he goes the same way. Does certificate matters for freshers? No, Sarang, certification doesn't matter, and I don't know why this question comes again and again, but definitely not. If you have the skill set, present it, show it on LinkedIn, show it on maybe YouTube, like create your own YouTube channel, so you don't need to worry about certifications anymore. In practical work, wait, what kind of difficulties comes other than that what we practice while learning? See, while learning we don't have any fear. Like if something is wrong, then something can be like if you are working on your own, there is no one to check you, no one to see your work, like what type of whether you use the best practices or is there any risk of whatever that approach you are using, right? So this is the only thing. But again, in the live run, in the live way, you are kind of responsible of things what you are doing, right? So this is the only concern. So you need to use the best practices over there, and there again there is a kind of fear, like you are implementing in a live org, like let's say you are making a release, so obviously it's a more focused or more oriented to work. You need to you need to present over there, right? Like your code should be clean, there should be good test classes present over there, right? So these are the things that you need to follow. But when we are creating, let's say I am creating flows, right? I don't care whatever the words I am writing, but let's say if I am going to build a flow in a client company, or let's say in a project, then obviously I need to provide descriptions over there. What if let's say if I leave the company and someone some admin or some developer joined that company and want to understand that flow, it's going to be difficult for them. So it's always a best practice in your flow, provide description and all. We don't do that when we are practicing, but obviously when we are working in a project we need to do that. Bro, I am working okay. Does okay when companies hire freshers? So see, companies will hire freshers when they have projects. If they have projects and have the capacity to hire freshers, because freshers are not that much uh, like freshers are easily available in terms of money, right? Companies can buy not buy, can hire around 40 freshers, 30 freshers, 12 freshers. So totally depends on a company. If company have the projects, they are going to hire people. If they don't have the project, why they are going to hire? So it's a simple math. uh, Sir, they're a fresher now in Salesforce. Please do a video how to apply Salesforce jobs. Yeah, definitely, Suresh. These are the planned videos, and surely you are going to see in the near future. Bro, I'm working in big MNC, but I am on bench. I'm thinking to learn Salesforce and put 2 years experience. Can it will be good for career or not? See, uh, if you are able to do the work in a company, I think I will say yes. But if you don't feel that you have that kind of skill set, don't go for it. To be very honest, I see a lot of people getting hired and they show fake experience of Salesforce, and later on they get kicked off from the company because they are not able to perform really well. And that's where the concept of job support came into picture. Like people are taking support for their work. To be very honest, don't fall into this category. If you are taking support from someone, it's just for a few like maybe 2 month, 3 month, max to max 1 year. What after that? At some point you need to do work, right? So why not learn it and do it hard way, instead of uh, instead of choosing the easy path. uh, Now we have, bro, which platform is best to get job? I always suggest LinkedIn. I never search any platform like naukri.com, any etc. I always recommend LinkedIn is the best platform to get jobs. To be very honest, my current now you will say like, okay, Shubham, you have a profile and you are on YouTube, so you will easily get jobs. Yeah, definitely. But you can also do the same. Post your learnings over LinkedIn. To be very honest, I on daily basis I get to around like 4 to 5 offers easily. Even for freelancing and all, a lot of offers. Manoj, can we get a visa sponsored job directly in US from India being a Salesforce dev? I think I answered this question already. Uh, Amit Chaudhary. Arey, sir, thank you so much, sir. So Apex Arts, Amit Chaudhary is also there. And thank you so much, sir, for joining the live session. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So Probe is saying, bro, I have cleared 2 round of persistent, but then they asked me to attend another interview. Also, they changed my profile. So see, Proby, then you need to decide. You are the in charge here whether you want to join or not. If you don't think the profile will match your um, like experience or the skill set you have, don't join. Try some another company. You are the in charge of your life, not a company. So Suresh, in real time in job, what can do? Work is there, institute learning, write all codes in the company or someone else. In real time in job, what can do? Suresh, can you please like elaborate this question? I'm not able to get it. Roshan, how the version control is done in Salesforce? Kindly explain in detail. Thanks a lot, brother. I'm not that expert in this category, so definitely I will recommend some other channel. Maybe SFDC. Go for SFDC Panther. He can explain this better than me because he has the that topic cleared very well. Any tips of professional like us? No, sir. I'm learning a lot from you. I am not able to give you any advice, and I'm not even uh, like specialized to. I'm not even able to give any kind of advice. You are a great motivation to me, to be very honest. The amount of content you are producing on every single day, it's it's remarkable. I'm not even a 1% of what you are right now. I'm having a 4 year of experience. Can we get a visa sponsored job directly in US from India by applying in Naukri.com? See, Manoj, I never apply for Naukri.com, and even I don't have any idea about Naukri platform, right? So, and for the US opportunities, the companies who are providing on-site opportunities, you need to join those companies, and you need to perform really well over there, so that they get impressed by your work, and yeah, send you on site. Thanks for answering my queries, Shubham. I really appreciate your efforts and contribution toward the community. Hoping for some more informative live session from you. You are really great mentor. Thank you so much, Arka. Actually, this is just a random live which I do. How to do freelancing and start a startup? Sarang, I'm also having the same question, like how to start a startup. So maybe Amit sir from Apex Arts will help us in the near future. If sir, so people having a lot of questions regarding startup and freelancing. So if you can cover this topic on your channel, because I feel you have more experience in this category, because you have also seen the US context. So I will suggest if you create the videos on Apex Arts. Please share your contact number. Sachin Bansal, if you go to my LinkedIn profile, maybe you find it, but I will suggest don't ask phone numbers for any professional or any kind of person, right? Just try to communicate over email or LinkedIn chat. That's the best way. Mohit, I am from mechanical branch, currently doing internship in Salesforce admin. How do I approach to learn developer? Do I need to learn Java? I see, if you are in Salesforce technologies, right? I will not suggest learn Java. Directly learn Salesforce Apex. But again, if you already learn Java, yeah, definitely you can learn. Definitely that Java experience can help you. But if you want to learn from scratch, you don't need to. Hi Shubham, I have working experience in Apex, REST, integration, Aura, and LWC. What should I learn next? Stay. I will suggest CPQ. Go for CPQ. Also Velocity, but I don't have any idea about Velocity. But yeah, definitely you can learn CPQ. CPQ is having a lot of opportunities in India as well. Is there a possibility to log the record? I'm not getting, Pavan, what you want to say. Amit sir, thanks for your kind words. Bhai, you are doing great job. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for every single. Thank you so much. Even I can't. You are big brother to me. I am fresher in Salesforce, particularly prepared from YouTube, but not getting any jobs. Neil Kant. Neil Kant, if you have the skill set and you think you can crack the interview, ping me. I will suggest some companies where you can apply as a fresher. And also, if you are okay to relocate, because these are in Noida, so I'm not sure what's your location. There are some companies in Noida who are hiring freshers. How you share your part of work to your team? So see, now as a 3 or 4 year of experience in corporate, my most of the work I do is like I need to stay a lot of on calls. Like I need to manage these things and like that. Amit sir, I will cover soon. Thank you so much, sir. So probably, guys, if you want to learn about freelancing and how to start a startup in Salesforce technology, then maybe you will get on Apex Arts. So I will surely suggest go to Apex Arts and subscribe this channel and learn a lot of things. See, Apex Arts is the best channel if you want to learn the advanced concepts. Like you are a advanced person and you also want to advance your skill set over there. That's the best channel for Salesforce. Sir, in development, only Apex Visual Force integration is enough, or we can also see. Suresh, I will definitely suggest, if you are a fresher, definitely learn Salesforce LWC. LWC can help you to beat the competition. Let's say there are 10 people and they don't know LWC and you have the LWC skill set. Companies are going to hire you only. LWC is the must. And I will suggest if you are a fresher, learn LWC and beat the competition and get a job. I need to learn Apex programming. Please tell me the roadmap, sir. So roadmap is pretty much simple. Bhargav, go to Apex Hours, or there is one more channel called Path to Code. Learn both. Like there are a lot of resources already present over there, and these are the best resources, free of cost, which I am talking about right now. Where to learn Salesforce, Santosh? First of all, Trailed, and also if you find any video of mine, you will find a link, a roadmap to learn Salesforce admin and development. Go to that link and you can download that roadmap. How you create videos and which app you use for editing? So Sharang, I used basically what I use. So let me just think. So right now I'm not using any kind of software. I'm just streaming this with OBS and I record with OBS software only. And for editing in MacBook we have iMovie software. So it's just very simple editing, make cuts and the video is ready. I don't even spend a lot of time on editing. To be very honest, now I simply create a video and present it over YouTube. Does age matter in IT industry? Roshan, no, age doesn't matter in IT industry. Skill set matter in IT industry. How to get job for fresher? Prajwal, I already answered this. Get skill set, get visible on LinkedIn, try to post whatever you are learning over there. Maybe and stay active on LinkedIn, especially on the job company job portals. Apply over there. If you are not getting calls, apply more. Thank you, Shubham, for suggestions. How can I improve logical thinking? Mohit, just with the practice. You need to practice more to improve logical thinking. There is no other way you can improve. Practice is the only thing. Try more scenarios. Try to see one thing which I want to let you know. When we try to learn things, right, we see okay, why we are not able to make scenarios on our own, because you didn't try enough scenarios. See, let's say I am watching one video, try to implement the same video first. Once you learn everything, like what I mean by learn everything, once you implemented that scenario, try to apply more scenarios over there, like same kind of scenarios. So if you apply this technique, like first you will learn from someone and apply that scenario, now you have a solution. Like, okay, if I get problems like this, I have a solution, I will do it like that. Now try to think like, what if this thing happened like that? So right now I'm not giving an example, but this is the approach which you need to follow. First learn from someone, apply their scenario, and yeah, definitely then try to make that scenario advance. For example, let me give you an example for Salesforce flow. There is a screen, right? You are providing input over there and you need to create a contact. This is the simple scenario which you learned. Now think like that, what if that particular email contact already exists in Salesforce? Now what you need to do, I will suggest you need, if the contact is found, you need to update. So that's how you need to learn. Oh, and Suresh, I have 8 months experience. Can you also help me to find the job? Ashish, don't do that. You know me personally. I already helping you. Shubham Bhaiya, Salesforce wala namaskar. Thank you so much, Ravi. Sir, how can improve Lightning Web component and Aura component? See, first, as I told you, learn from the person from whoever you are learning. And LWC, we have 3 channels actually on YouTube. Salesforce Troop, SFDC Panther, and SFDC Facts Academy. Find, and all the authors are like Manish, Nikhil, and Amit Bhai. So just try to learn from all of them, choose the best and learn it. Pankaj, sir, 2-year fake experience is normal to survive in industry, or it is hard to survive? See, definitely Pankaj, if you don't have the real experience, it's going to be hard for you, not an easy one. Himanshi, hi Shubham, what is in demand for switching the job with experience of 3 years? As so, see, as a 3 year of experience, I will suggest 15 to 20 for our normal skill set is the right current package right now, or maybe 12 to 20 for a broader scale. Sir, LWC we learn is there mandatory to learn HTML, CSS. Obviously, Suresh, Java is a must. You can't do anything without JavaScript in LWC. So go to the Salesforce Troop channel. They already covered everything in JavaScript, like whatever the JavaScript needed for at least for Salesforce, right? Or for LWC especially. How to start integration? I feel it's very hard. Please suggest me. Palash, it's not hard. Once you try it, right, you will get excited with integration. To be very honest, so there is a project called COVID-19 Dashboard Tracker. I already covered on this channel, and it's a very old video. Try to try to learn that video, right? Like implement the same video in your org, and then implement the same scenario with LWC. So right now I completed that project with LWC like maybe 2 years back. Try to like implement the same with LWC, and you will feel okay. Integration is way much better, and I will suggest very good. Integration is really good once you learned it. Okay, I will try to help our geek. Ravi, thanks. I am working for a MNC, but I don't have experience of doing work for client because they don't have projects work. So I want to change my company. Any idea you suggest? Definitely, Rahul, change your company because I am not able to see any growth if you have in the same role. If you are not learning, see anywhere. If you are not learning anything, doesn't matter if you are getting a good package, even if you are in a support job or something, leave it because it's going to be a slow poison if you are not learning. With Salesforce platform knowledge and Apex knowledge, Ravi, okay, for LWC guys, we need to have HTML, CSS. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Ravi, for helping me. Uh, Tomorrow is my interview, but I am from different background. But HTML and CSS are mandatory in their company. Yeah, definitely, Palash. See, HTML and CSS are very basic things, right? Which you need to learn. Shubham Bhaiya today interviewed with Salesforce. Amazing, Ravi. How's it? How's it going? Is it good? Swapnil, hello sir. I am fresher BCA 2022 pass out. I have completed my Salesforce admin and developer course, but there are no openings for freshers. What should I do? Swapnil, I am assuming you are from I think Pune or something, right? I can see there are a lot of jobs in Pune side, right? But again, in Noida side we have jobs for Salesforce freshers, but I'm not sure about the Pune context. So there are two things I will suggest. Check LinkedIn and try to see what are the companies which are hiring freshers. Also, see, there is one more thing. Whenever you are not getting calls, ask your what I can say, ask your seniors. Like you are working, you are in a college or something. Ask your seniors, can you help me out to get a job, right? Ravi, you can drop me a message on LinkedIn, or maybe you will find my email ID in one of my what I can say a YouTube video, right? So just mail me or ping me over LinkedIn. We can have a talk over there. I answered 90% question, including the trigger use case. I think if you hit 90%, Ravi, definitely you can crack the job. How to because no one go for 100%, right? If you correct or if you answered most of the question correctly, then definitely you will get it. Where to learn integration from which YouTube channel? Can you please guide me? SFDC Stop and SFDC Panther are the two channels from where you can learn Salesforce integration. Any Can you share freshers job on any platform other than LinkedIn, like Telegram? So Roshan, I think I did earlier. Like I created a group over there, which is Salesforce Geeks on LinkedIn, not on LinkedIn, on Telegram. So try to join it, and few times we shared some news over there, like job opportunities for freshers and all. Also, there are a lot of other Telegram channels as well, which absolutely provide job related information on their channels. So try to join those channels as well. Kev, I have good knowledge of Salesforce both in admin and dev. I am also interested in data engineering. How can I bring data engineering concept into Salesforce apart from MuleSoft? I think you can go for Einstein Analytics maybe. But I'm not sure actually. Data engineering, I don't have any single idea, Kev. I'm not that person who can answer you on this data engineering, to be very honest. See, I'm not an expert of everything, man. I have my expertise in a specific manner. Like I have the expertise in data marketing, digital marketing. Sorry, Mm, specifically in human behavior. I have a little expert like how to trick or how to make a little influence on people's. These are my expertise. And then obviously in Salesforce, Apex, Apex integrations and LWC admin, obviously sales cloud, service cloud, these are kind of my expertise. What a current situation Salesforce job for freshers? See, Prajwal, I am seeing a lot of jobs for Salesforce freshers, but again the same problem is companies are posting jobs for Salesforce fresher, but they are not calling them. So maybe the thing is resume issue, like your resume is not that good. So basically once a company get resume, they shortlist them, like whether this person is good for the like job and all, right, and or not. So make sure your resume is quite well, because that's the only thing who is going to help you in order to filter like in order to get selected for an interview process or getting a call. Hi sir, do you think will Salesforce depreciate VF component and replace Lightning? Yeah, definitely, Gagan, but not in near future. But definitely, if Lightning is there, somehow VF pages is going to be depreciated. Ashish, what is the best way to start a Salesforce for a person who had done 2 years in BPO? So Ashish, again I'm saying this: if you want a roadmap to learn Salesforce admin and development, right? In any of my video, go to the description box. There is a link mentioned over there which say complete roadmap to learn Salesforce admin and development. You will find a PDF. Then inside that PDF you will also get a live project which you can implement, and you can showcase that project like, okay, I completed that project by implementing that project in your developer org. And that project is by SFDC Panther, Amit Singh. uh, Roshan, kindly put your LinkedIn. I need to bring the link first. LinkedIn. Or do one thing. There is one interesting thing which I want to let you know. Just type Shubham Bhardwaj on over Google. You will get my LinkedIn profile over there. There is no need to link. Just type Shubham Bhardwaj over Google and you will find the link on the first website. The first website link is my profile. What is the current status of layoff the employee of Salesforce? See, Pavan, I am seeing this condition in US market, but right now in Indian market, Salesforce is hiring. If you see the company page in India, company is already hiring Salesforce developers, Salesforce support engineers. So I think in India, I'm not sure that we are going to see layoffs, because the company is hiring automatically. So there is no point of the thing layoff right now. At least in the current situation, I'm not seeing anything. Could you please share some points on interview preparation for freshers? See, Dark, you can like check this video again. We already discussed most of the things. Sir, I will learn both admin and development, but we put fake experience 2 year. We can do work in a company in real scenario. See, Suresh, if you can do the job, perfect. But 2 year of experience, you will get the work of 2 year experience people. You cannot expect fresher work, right? So definitely you can check out an article on ApexR's website regarding this fake experience, and that article will help you. Any channel you suggest for me SLA in Service Cloud, because I don't understand. Maybe you can check ApexR's, maybe because they created a series for Service Cloud, so maybe you will find something. related to SLA. Other than that, I don't have any idea about SLA. Like, is there any content creator who create content on it? Sir, how to learn LWC? Prajwal, 3 channels. Again, I am repeating: Salesforce Troop, SFDC Panther, SFDC Facts Academy. Learn from any one of them. Ashish Thakur, thank you. Is it okay to tell production URL if they ask? Like, who is going to ask? Probably I need to I want the full question. Who is going to ask you the production URL? Hi sir, certification is mandatory. I have 4 years experience in Salesforce. See Shubham, as an experienced person, yeah, definitely you have a 4 year of experience, so companies can expect at least from you, not from freshers, but yeah, 4 year of experience can at least as a developer can expect a PD1 certification, right? Completely zero skills of coding. Please suggest good institute so that I could learn prerequisite language Java, JavaScript, HTML from scratch to approach. I will not recommend any institute. They are charging huge amount of money which is not suitable at all. So that's the thing. I am launching Cloud Padle. Cloud Padle is going to be the cheapest source of learning Salesforce in near future. I will not recommend any institute because see, they are charging 25,000 for a BA training, business analyst training. It doesn't make any sense to me. And also don't join. Learn from Salesforce Troop. Just find it from Salesforce Troop channel. Salesforce Troop channel is the best in order to learn JavaScript and LWC both. And also we are also launching new thing in near future on cloudpadle.com. So if you are interested, maybe you can check out our website. In the upcoming days you will find a course of LWC project, like it's a project based learning, so you can check it out. Sir, in interview, how many code interview gave us to do? Can you please correct the question? I'm not getting it. How to tackle employment gap? Have good experience in Salesforce development. Spurs, if you have the good experience in Salesforce development, then I don't think so. You need to worry about it. You can easily answer the interviewer question and you will be selected. How to use? Yeah, Roshan. I will. Yeah, this topic is in my mind from a long time, so definitely, I will create a video. Hello sir, can I get a job after 2 years of gap in the career I have completed? Yeah, definitely Vishwajit, you will get a job. If you work hard and you have the skill set, you will easily get a job. Usha, can you suggest without coding career path in Salesforce ecosystem? See Usha, I want to know from if you are from India or USA. Both have the different context. If you are from India, learn development. There is no way you can make a career in Salesforce with low code skills. You need to learn development for India at least. Why people going for Salesforce only for package with half learning? So Gagan, obviously, if you are getting a good amount of money, I think you should also go over there. But a half learning, yeah, definitely. If they don't have the skill set, they need to think. But right now, yeah, Salesforce is showering money to people like crazy money. So definitely people will switch to Salesforce. Probably I never faced such situation like where the interviewer asked me the org URL. So basically they are asking the company for like the project for which company you are working for. That's the thing they want to know. Swapnil, hello sir, can you please guide me guide us how can freshers can build their resume so that can be shortlisted in any company? Yeah, Swapnil, definitely, and I will also suggest take help from ChatGPT. So I'm also going to create a video how to create a resume with the help of ChatGPT. This is going to be a super cool video. How to prepare for certification? Give me some tips. Certifications. See if you have the practical knowledge, Shubham. As you said, you have 4 years of experience. So I think you should complete the trail mix over trailed and you are good to go. How to prepare? I am a fresher admin. How to switch toward development? See, develop. So Vinay, I already told you there is a link in our videos, Salesforce Development Roadmap, right? Go for that. Like grab that roadmap and learn, and you will get a path. We also added a live project as well. So guys, I am going to paste a link of our platform where you can. It's a Salesforce Flow Bootcamp which we are going to launch from on 1st of April. So I'm going to paste the link. If you want to check it out, you can definitely make it a give it a try. And this bootcamp is going to be fully scenario based. It's not going to like I'm going to present some slides over there. I'm going to build every single flow from the scratch to and make it advanced so that we are also going to handle errors. So let me just paste the link, then I will talk more about it, what we are going to learn in this bootcamp. So I'm just going to paste the link. Flow. And guys, again, I'm seeing very few likes over there. We have 49 people already watching us and 37 likes. Please hit it. Salesforce Flow Bootcamp. Salesforce Flow. Yeah. Done. So now in the description box, I already pasted the link of our bootcamp. So let me just start from the very beginning. I will also tell why I am creating this bootcamp. So to be very honest, people are charging crazy money in the market. They are charging 10 to 15,000 uh, rupees. I am talking about rupees for flow, teaching flows. So I'm just going to disrupt that market because I have the audience who are trying to learn at least Salesforce flows, right? So definitely, I want to bridge that gap. I don't want to charge crazy money over there. See, now the thing is, we are making this course available only just 1500 rupees. Now some of you will feel like 1500 rupees is more for a flow course. But the thing what we are presenting in our course is it's going to be practical, to be very honest. Like all the scenarios are going to be practical, and we are also going to build from scratch, right? Uh, and the other thing which is going to be make our course more better, we are also going to have live classes as well, like doubt classes basically. So let's say we build a flow, you completed 5 to 10 videos of our course, then on weekend I am going to take a live session as I am taking right now, right? So we are going to do the same way. I am going to take your questions over there, and even you can interact with me over there. Like Shubham, I am having this doubt in this scenario. Can you please help me out over there? Right? So this is kind of learning. So the prerequisite for this course, right? At least you should know the basic admin. Like what are the relationship between objects, how you at least relationship idea you should get. This basic thing you need to know in order to learn Salesforce flows. And to be very honest, why Salesforce flows are important, as you know that process builder and workflow rules are now depreciated. So this is the only automation tool now which you can use in order to automate things without using any code. And Salesforce recommend, if the scenario can be done with the help of flows or low code automation, go for it. Right? This is the thing. Don't code if the scenario is completed by Salesforce flow. Don't make code over it. So now again, this is the simple like this is that's it which I want to talk about the bootcamp. I place the link over it, and you can find more information about the bootcamp from that link, right? So now I'm going to move back to the questions, and I will take again. So see, as one of them mentioned, yes sir, actually I have joined one institute in Pune. They are charging 40K for learning Salesforce admin and development and no placement guarantee. So to be very honest, I learned from scratch. I never spent a single penny to learn Salesforce. It's completely free of cost. Now the thing is why I am charging for my course, because I am going to make that course full worth of my money. It's an investment for you, right? Because let's say I am providing more than 40 hours of content in this course. 40 hour of making a 40-hour content will take 120 hour of mine. And now having like maybe around 5 year of experience in Salesforce industry, I think 1500 rupees per person is not that much good, not that much for a 40 hours content, right? It's a very genuine price which we are charging at cloudpadle.com. Also, let me also tell you a story about it. So Cloud Padle is a very interesting initiative. Cloud basically we cover all the CRM technologies, and Padle is basically came from Hindi. Padle means teaching, right, or learning something. So that's we collaborated and make this platform cloudpadle.com. Hi Shubham, for sites you can do their respective trail mix. Yeah, exactly Ravi, that's what I suggested. My meaning is for coding test in interview, how many code might interviewer gave us to do? Pawan, I think one code is enough. They will give you one scenario. But if interviewer having a fight with her wife, or maybe if interviewer is she, then obviously they are going to ask you more than one. It totally depend on the interviewer how much scenarios they are going to ask you. Trady Rami, I have 3 years of Salesforce admin facing hard in coding part. Can you guide? Yeah, definitely. Go check out the roadmap from one of my videos and try to implement that project as well. Hi Shubham, I have gap in between company to company joining. Is there any problem in future? I have gap. See Prashant, until and unless you are able to do your job right, you don't need to worry about the gap. If you have the skill set, you don't need to worry about it. How you started your Salesforce journey where there were no source? Congrats for Salesforce MVP. Gagan, I am not a Salesforce MVP to be very honest. I am getting nominated for Salesforce MVP, but I didn't. I'm not getting selected over there. Uh, Hi, start learning basics of Apex/Java and practice until you master in code. Exactly. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much for helping me out in the comment section. I will definitely connect with you. Shrivalli, thank you so much for joining our membership. It means a lot to me for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Sir, I created my resume with the help of template, but some LinkedIn seniors told me freshers resume only simple word format. This is right or wrong? I created my resume with the help of template. No, Palash. Even my resume, 4 year back, I created my resume with the help of template. So you don't need to worry about it. Go and create a template resume. It's totally okay. I'm not sure why people suggest like only simple word format. Why? If we have the templates for resume, why we can't show our resume over there? My resume is on template and you don't need to worry about. Let me tell you, there is one website, Novo Resume Builder. You can create your resume from over there. You already created it, but people who are in this live session, Novo Resume Builder is the thing which you can implement to create beautiful resumes. Please drop the price, bro. It's too much. You should charge less. Pratik, see, I don't think so. It's more. The thing is, 40 hours of content for 1500 price. It's definitely not. Because I know I am charging around $30 per single hour on top mate. If someone having a flow doubt, right, and I am helping them, I am able to charge $30 and they are able to pay me. They pay me $30. So I don't think so I'm charging more, bro. Is it your integration lecture, sir? No, it's a Salesforce Flow course, Shiv Shankar. I'm not getting calls for the interviewers. Is there jobs in the market for 1 or 2 year of experience, guys? Yeah, definitely there are jobs, but you need to do a little research or a little hard work. Hi Shubham, this is Shivalli. I am from USA. I learned all admin and development and LWC concepts. I am very much interested to start my journey as a Salesforce developer after 20 years of damn. It's great, Shivalli. I motivate myself and completed 4 certification with the help of Trailer and some experts. But their job market very down. All are suggesting better to select any other field, but I'm losing any confident and interview job offers. All are different from India and USA. Can you give any suggestions? Yeah, definitely, Srivalli. In US, the market is right now little stagnant. A couple of people I am in touch with, they also even their job is also got, like they are also get fired. So the market right now in USA is kind of tough. But Shrivalli, here is the thing: if you have the skill set right, if you are able to do the job, let me tell you, if you have the confidence, like you can do the work, trust me, trust me, you will get a one. But again, but sorry, I'm not losing much confidence. Yeah, so definitely, if you have the confidence, right, go for it. You will get a job. It's just you need to do more hard work in order to find jobs, right? I will also say suggest, try to create account on freelancing platform. So let's say what it will help you uh, with experience. Try to create account on freelancing platform and try to find a gig. If you get a gig over there, you can even show those gigs in your resume, like, okay, I'm doing freelancing in my meantime on Salesforce. Yeah, USA and India is totally different. In USA we have admin jobs, in India we don't have jobs. Yes, I'm 95% confidence that this is not our kind. Definitely, Shivalli, if you have, yeah, definitely go for it. You don't need to worry about anything, and obviously you will get a job. Skills never lie. I am in testing field. Okay, I have some question from Gagan. Whatever integration come, we can easily crack. I didn't get it. Sir, what to know? I have seen a lot of videos of integration, such content, different type of integration company or project, decide integration. So what are the ways we can use crack this integration? So there is also, so for learn different type of integration, again, start from the basic ones, and once you have the basic concepts get, once your basic concepts get cleared, right, go for the advanced one. Even there is a course created by Amit Singh on Udemy for Salesforce integration, and he created around more than 11 integration in his course. So you can, if you want to check it out, go for it. As a fresher, can I take this course? See, Suman, if you have the basic admin knowledge, yeah, definitely you can buy a course, and this is my responsibility to teach you Salesforce flow. You can go for it. I completed BTech in 2020, and now can I go for a fresher job as a Salesforce developer? Yeah, Sarvesh, you can go for it. See, I am getting the most of the question which I am getting is like, okay, I have a career gap. I'm a fresher. These are the question which I am getting, right? Hi Suman, yeah, definitely as a fresher, if you have the basics admin knowledge, you can get this course. This is what I mean. If you don't have the basic knowledge, like you don't know about the relationship and all, please don't buy it. It's of no use. But once you have the knowledge of basic admin, you can buy it. And also, if you think like, okay, I'm not able to spend money, right? My YouTube channel playlist is enough to learn Salesforce flows. It's the thing is, I am in the course, right? I am going to teach you in a more effective way, right? Better than YouTube. There will be content better than YouTube. So that's why we are charging money over there, right? Why don't you launch that podcast in Hindi? Yogesh, actually, we have a Hindi channel as well, and the thing is, I have some personal reasons why I am not able to put any video over it, because there is some health issue in my family, so that's why I'm not able to put much video on that channel. But definitely, once I am get this, like right now, I am working on this Cloud Padle platform, right? Once I get some time, I'm definitely going to create content in Hindi as well. Rakesh, best place to learn for PD1. Go for the official trail mix, And apart from that, practice more in your developer org. How much days sufficient to learn Salesforce? I will suggest as a fresher, 6 months is enough to learn admin, development, and in development I say both Apex and LWC included. 6 months is enough to learn Salesforce. You will become an expert, like and expert, what I mean, not in real term, but you can easily crack a fresher job. And once you get into a company, you will learn more, like how to do deployment and all. CPQ and knowledge article is mandatory to learn. I'm not getting it. What you mean, Shubham? Sarvesh, I have a career gap of 3 years. Will they select my resume for interview? Present, make your interview like that. They will select. It's like show. I am learning this and this technology. I am into this field. Whatever you are doing in your career gap, right? Obviously, you are not sitting on a bed, right? You are at least doing something. Mention it. I am learning admin part as of now. Market is low when market is going to up. Sandeep, from where you are talking about, India or US? I'm not sure when it's going to be up. In US, I am going to see more uh, job layoffs. You teach in high level language. For us who are starting from scratch, it's very difficult to grab your logic. Please try to teach in basic language. I hope you get it. Pratik, I'm not sure. Maybe you are thinking like that, but there are enough people who are telling me, like Shubham, you are teaching in a really good way, and we are also able to understand the concept. Maybe you are feeling the same, and it's totally okay to me, because not 100% audience will like you or like your teaching style. So it's absolutely okay. There are a lot of people who are uh, understanding the concept and commenting over my videos, like Shubham, we are liking your content. Sir, you are doing great job and always decreasing the gap of Salesforce skills. I will support as I am support from starting by that way. Thank you so much, Gagan. Thank you so much for the appreciation. As of now, market is low. When the market is going to up in India? No, Sandeep, market is not low in India. It's low in US, but not in India. Ketan, I'm in testing field. I have 1.3 year of experience and I want to switch into Salesforce. Not done with admin plus dev plus. How can I expect CTC? 1.3. So if you are going to include 1.3 as well, I think 5 to 8 LPA, Ketan. If you are going to show that 1.3 year of experience as well, and you have that skill set of LWC, admin and all. Integration is mandatory for freshers, please? No, I don't think so. Integration is mandatory. It's a advanced concept, and no company will ask you to learn Salesforce integration in the very beginning. Companies ask triggers, maybe batch apex will help a lot, and LWC, if a fresher have the LWC skill set, company will surely going to hire you, surely. LWC is a must. So focus more on LWC and triggers and Apex as well, like the OOPS concept. Sir, only flow. Shantos, I'm not able to get what you mean. Uh, where can learn integration to be best dev? SFDC Stop and SFDC Panther for free resources, and SFDC Panther also has a paid content over Udemy. Go for it. Can we get good salary compared to any product based? If I'm not in Salesforce company, I am in working in Salesforce Velocity, both having very good salary considering mine experience. 25 lakh overall salary. Can we get good salary compared to any product based? If I'm not in Salesforce company, I'm in working in Salesforce / Velocity, both. Yeah, definitely, Yogendra. Even the small companies hire uh, more than this package. Like, to be very honest, the package you mentioned, 25 LPA, 3.5 year experience of people are getting it right now. In the small companies I'm talking about, like startups. How much do you have experience? So I have around 5 year of experience in Salesforce technology. How to learn LWC? LWC channel again, Salesforce Troop, Salesforce SFDC Panther, and SFDC Facts Academy for free. You can learn LWC for free. With 2 year of experience, how much CTC should I expect? Maybe 6 to 8 LPA. what are the topics that we need to have a command on LWC? I'm not sure about the topic, Sandeep, because I'm not an expert in LWC, and to be very honest, I am more into Apex integration and Salesforce automation. SAP versus Salesforce, which is in high demand. Obviously, Salesforce right now. When will you come live next time? I'm not sure, surveys. It's going to be a random one again, like we are doing right now. So it's going to be a random one again. And no, it's not a planned live session. So if you have anything for me, shoot me out. I think I read all the language, all the comments. What is salary for Salesforce developer fresher? 3.5 LPA is the basic one, or maybe less than this, but 3.5 LPA, I think it's the base one which people are getting right now. Hello Shubham, what are the things you are going to cover in the course? Will you cover flow with lightning also? What you mean by lightning? Ashish, are you talking about like how to use flow with LWC? Or how you are going to use LWC on Salesforce flows, right? I have overall 2 years of only experience in Salesforce, but thinking about future, how much I can grow in CTC compared if I switch to data science. Shrivalli, Shrivalli, you will also, apart from LWC, also try Salesforce Troop. I think, to be very honest, Salesforce Troop and SFDC Panther are the best resources to me. Where we learned the Apex integration from SFDC Stop and SFDC Panther, Sandeep. I have overall 2 years of only experience in Salesforce, but thinking about future. Future, see, no one knows the future, Yogendra. But to be very honest, in Salesforce right now we are getting quite crazy packages. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Because now I'm after 5 minutes I'm going to end this live session. Ah, it's going to be huge session, like 1.5 hour session. Okay. And again, guys, if you can hit a like button again, we have 59 likes, so let's make it more at the end of this video. And also don't forget to check out our platform. Very soon you will see a lot of courses over there, right? So definitely go and check it out. Real time in company, what can do development? Suresh, can you please, if you can correct your question, I'm not getting it what you mean. Like real time, can we use error message in record triggered flow? Yes, definitely. Not error message, but you can send it over email if you have any kind of error. Because see, to display error message, you need to show some screen, but there is no option in record triggered flows. So you can send the error message over email to the respective person you want to. Integration, is it possible from flow builder? Shiv Shankar, nice question. So we recently get a HTTP callout method in Salesforce flows, from where you can make a GET request and get the data from particular website. So even I see one of the videos from Alex Idestein. Alex is the product manager of Salesforce flows, right? And he created a video how to integrate Salesforce flow and ChatGPT, and it's on unofficial Salesforce website. You can check it out. What is the duration of the course? So Ketan, this course is going to be 40 hours long and 60 plus videos. In which company I should approach for Salesforce developer position? Any suggestion? Biswajit, I will if I want to name some companies, definitely go for it. Let's say horizontal, or maybe Salesforce itself. Personally, Daysworks as well, or CloudBiz as well. CloudBiz is also paying good packages. Apart from that, what I can say, MTX. Harshada, thank you so much. Okay, integration, is it possible? What is the free for PD1 certification? And yeah, so Shubham, it's $200, and if you include tax, so it's going to be $230. Aditya Singh, I don't know you, man. Maybe he's one of my non-friend. I'm not sure. He's just doing some these mischievous things in chat. In company, we can learn topics that only we can do in company, or any resource in company or training. How much time to learn after getting a job? After getting a job, your time will be limited because you also need to do work, right? So whatever the task you are getting in a company, you are only able to learn it. But if you are able to put some more efforts after the company hours, definitely you can learn. How many project mentioned on resume for fresher? It's not like numbers. If you implemented 5 projects, implemented 5 of them, no worries. Like more the number of projects, more will be interviewer will get an idea, like okay, this person have the hands-on idea. Yeah, definitely, Ashish, that's a good point. I forgot to tell about this, but you can get vouchers of $140 if you register. Yeah, so it's like there is a trick actually. Let's say right now $140 off is going on, and you register for an exam. The exam is $230. If you minus $140, so around that subtraction is $70, right? So the actual fee is going to be $70. But here is a hack. Let's say in future, what you will do, uh, yes, let's say you get failed into the into the exam. Now the to reappear into the exam, the fees is $100. So you can use again that $140 voucher, and your exam will be free next time. So it's like you will get 2 attempts if you get failed in the first one. So it's like it's just a trick, right? I just want to let you know so that you don't invest your money again. You can use this and get this done. It's 1 o'clock. So Ashish, I know you. Why you are doing these things? Hello Shubham, I like you so much. Are you single? No, I'm not single. आप अपना शर्ट उतार कर अपना बॉडी देख कर आओ ना आज प्लीज. Stop. I'm going to remove you from the chat now. Yes, Shubham, I know this. Yeah. From where, so see, Manoj Kumar, right now we have a playlist over what I can say on Apex Hours for CPQ. Also, there is a book on Amazon as well. I'm not sure what's the author name, but yeah, that book is, I feel that book is really good to explain the implement. So the name of the book is Implementation kind of CPQ something. I'm not remember the full name, but if you search on Amazon, you will find it. Okay. Guys, it's 1 p.m. 1 a.m. Sorry. And you guys are still on the live chat. I'm amazed. As Apex Arts SFDC Panther is nice to learn all the topics. Yes. These are like creators. I thanks Shubham for this live. Thanks Manoj. So see, Apex Arts and SFDC Panthers are the channel when I started my journey in Salesforce, right? Tom, I have connected app that after a while give me error. Do you know how to solve it? So Tom, maybe you need to connect after this live, like shoot me into the LinkedIn. Maybe I can help you. Where can I get scenario based project for practice? So see, Bishwajit, as I told you that if you search any of my video and look at the description box, so there is a thing mentioned complete Salesforce development and admin roadmap. Download that roadmap and you will find a live project over there. Hey Mohit, good night Harshada. Shantosh, I joined sir. Flows ka video funny. Yeah, definitely flows. I'm never going to stop the flow videos on my channel. Thank you so much, Shivalli. That much we love and follow your lessons. To be very honest, I'm just amazed, and I feel really blessed to get an audience like you. Chandu, what is your salary? Enough to survive, man. To be very honest, I'm living a very good life. I will not say like okay, I'm getting a low package or very high package, but I'm happy with my package. I do have a knowledge of basic Visual Force. I'm looking for a job change. Is it mandatory to have a huge experience over it? See, Visual Force, even no company not going, it's not even a mandatory thing. You need to learn Visual Force. Learn LWC if you want to break the competition. That's the thing which will help you to get a job. And one more thing, Shubham, you can add Salesforce Troop as I did one good course on Udemy with 7 projects. Yeah, definitely, Ashish. Even I mentioned this project over my Telegram channel, right? And with Nikhil Bhai, we are going to collaborate very soon over cloudpadle.com. So it's a pre-launch which I am telling you guys. We are going to create a lot of good stuff over cloudpadle.com. मोहित घर पर सब ठीक है भाई? भाई फ़िलहाल ठीक है. पिछले महीने बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कतें हो गई थी, तो पूरा महीना मेरा वहीं पे गया है. बट इट्स जस्ट वी कैन नॉट स्पीक about those things in the chat, right, in the live session. But obviously every single person in this earth having problems, and just it's like a huge deal for us. We faced a very hard time like previous month. Shubham, in which company you are right now, and which company you like to let us know. So I am in Daysworks, Ashish. I am planning to switch my IT career to Salesforce admin PD1. Is there job available in this market? Yeah, definitely. PD1 and like developer jobs are the main jobs in India. So definitely. Country, I am in India, Ashish. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. And one more question, Shubham. Nowadays in USA, everybody asking velocity. We have knowledge. There is immediate placement. Is it easy to learn? Shrivalli, it's a when I talk about velocity, CPQ, these are the like kind of what I can say clouds, which are kind of a package. So if you do a little hard work, right, and it's easy even to get a job with velocity and CPQ in US market. So if you see, everything is hard in starting. If you put some work over it, it's going to be easy then. Funny, Shubham, please concentrate on real time cases. Don't go with basic stuff. See, the reason funny over YouTube, people try to find out very basic scenarios. Let's say how to assign a particular record to a queue. So I build scenarios like that. But we also have the advanced topics. Let's say I created a video for 35 minutes of video where I make a flow and make it to the advanced level. So it's not just we covered the simple or basic videos, we also covered the complex one. And or cloudpadle.com, we are going to cover a lot of things. Shubham, I mean which company and which country? Daysworks, company is Daysworks right now, and the country is India. In the course, there is no videos. Shantosh, because the thing is, project is going to be live on 1st of April. All the videos will be available on 1st of April. In the course, there is no videos. Can I mention the practice project in my CV? Yeah, definitely. You can mention the practice project in your CV. Bhai GF hai ki nahi? Bhai personal question hai. So let's leave it. Okay, guys. Now we have we have 1 a.m. in IST time zone, and sorry and best links for CPQ and velocity. Yeah, and definitely I suggested a book called Implementation with CPQ. You can try it out, Shivalli. That's a really nice book. And apart from that, Apex Arts is the thing from where you can learn. How much DSA is important when we apply a job in Salesforce domain after 1 year of experience? I don't think so, Shubham. It's going to be that important. If you have Salesforce experience, interviewer is going to ask you Salesforce related questions, Salesforce scenario based questions. I never faced any DSA issue with my interviews, and neither my like friends and all, they never tell me like, Shubham, we faced DSA question. But again, if you are going to apply for Google or maybe Amazon, these companies can ask you DSA questions as well. When Community Cloud or Commerce Cloud course is coming soon? No, right now, Sandeep, no planning for Community Cloud. To be very honest, because right now I don't have any creator who is creating content for Community Cloud. which is good stuff to get job in US. Cloud based, learn cloud based technologies. Let's say uh, CPQ, velocity, flows is super important from US context because admin should know flows very well. If you are going for an admin job, right? Then obviously, hey Shubham, please ping the Telegram link. I am unable to join from the link in the description, or ping the same. Yeah, let me just share that link as well. bit.ly Salesforce geeks. Sorry, I misspelled something. Thank you, Shubham, for this session. You cleared mostly all my doubts. Thank you so much, Ashish, for the love and support. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for joining. Even we have 32 viewers right now at 1 a.m. and this is crazy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And make sure you uh, support us over Health Cloud links, please. Funny, Health Cloud like Health Cloud content is really rare if you find out on Google as well. So probably you need to learn it from Trailhead. And on Trailhead there is a what I can say, trail mix. If you just search Health Cloud trail mix, you will find it. Thank you, Shubham. Please conduct more live session like mock interviews. Yeah, definitely, Shivalli. These are like planned in near future. Maybe we are going to bring some more MVPs and lightning champions to conduct more interviews in future, right? So definitely. Very less. I tried, dear. You didn't get? Funny. Let me know. Or you can ping me over LinkedIn. I will share the link if you are not able to find. But Health Cloud content is very, very, very less right now. Hey Yesh, I think I remember you, Yesh. I think you are on my Instagram as well. Okay, bro, you are also MVP. No, Ashish, I'm not a Salesforce MVP. Are these videos pre-recorded? Yeah, Pratik, videos are pre-recorded and live session is going to be live. Like obviously live. But obviously, Pratik, if you don't like my teaching style, I will not recommend that course to you. To be very honest. Uh, do you any person who is working with Health Cloud? Funny, to be very honest, I think I remember a guy, but I'm not sure what his name. Difference between developer versus admin. See, admin will not use any type of code while working over the org, right? But developer need to bring to learn admin as well and development as well, like the basic coding, Apex, LWC, Visual Force, schedule classes, batch classes, like all that. Good night, bro. Keep growing, keep smiling. Thanks, Mohit. Hi, bro. Heads off your dedication. Thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you so much for all the support. Uh, all right, guys. Then thank you so much for joining. I'm not. I'm now. I'm going to like end this stream. Cloud per ले start करने का objective. So objective is simple. Yes, we actually need to make a difference in like institute based learning. They are charging a really huge amount, and now we are going to make some courses which are going to be more effective than those learning institutes, to be very honest. I am working with Health Cloud very hard to clear bugs, dear. Yeah, funny, I understand because that's actually no one's right now creating content over it, right? So it's obviously going to be tough. Even if you search for debugs, you will not find any articles or something like that. So yeah, I can understand. But see, if you got the skill set right, you are going to make very, very crazy amount of money because obviously you are working a very niche skill, right? And a company will definitely get it. Help me out if you have any chance. Yeah, definitely I will take a look if someone can help you. How will you manage your gym and job and this online courses? See, yes, as you know that we are on weekend, right, and doing this live session, so I need to put my hours, like more hours into this. It's like tomorrow is Sunday, but Sunday is also planned, like all the content which I need to create for the course, everything. So it's all about how much you are able to put into the work. That's the only thing. Yeah, definitely, Vijay. You are 2018 pass out. If you try hard, you will get. Because you are so crazy, that's why we are here. Thank you so much, Vishwajit. Sandeep, bro, I am having 5 year of gap and I'm not from tech background. Is there any chance or can I get any opportunities? Yeah, definitely, Sandeep. You need to learn a skill set, and if it is Salesforce, practice it more. Hi, I am 40 years old. I am from management background, no IT at all. Can I still get into Salesforce? Rube, so Rube, yeah, definitely you can. Learning have no age gap. Even to be very honest, I am teaching flows, right? My mother, besides me, even she learned a lot of things in flows. Like, okay, Shubham, you said get record element will get the record from the org, right? So she also learned few things just by listening to me. So you can even definitely learn. There is no age of learning. Yeah, it actually, Vishwajit, it's two-way, right? You are also giving me support, and I'm right here. Yes, if you have any plan for sharing your knowledge, let me know. If we can if we can also include you in Cloud Paddle, let me know what your skill set, and also shoot me your some videos. So if we like it, definitely we will also onboard you. So thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to check out the Cloud Paddle link mentioned into the description box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Like, have a nice weekend or enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye. Thank you. Does age play a factor for getting into company? No, definitely not. Bye bye.